Let me show you how I created this transition sound effect. Every cinematic transition has three critical sections: the build-up that creates tension, the impact that delivers power, and the whoosh that sells the movement. The secret to easy build-ups? Reversed sounds. Listen to these ordinary piano notes and cymbal hits. Now watch what happens when I reverse them. For that impact moment, I've layered two complementary bass hits. Then I added these tonal impacts. The whoosh sells the transition. Both of these whooshes have a low-pass filter applied, which cuts the high frequencies and makes it sound more polished. If you want to grab all of these sound effects for free, check the description.